Okay, guys, example 4, it's similar to example 2, I think, but it says in a survey of 5,000 randomly selected households, 460 households watched a certain program. Of all American households, about how many watched the program? And I think, guys, I don't have it on here, but I think the assumption is that, that we're going to use the information from that earlier example where there are about 105 million households. Okay, so let's just go through that type of problem again. Remember, we can do it in a couple of ways. I could say that 406, remember with our percentages, we can use the percent proportion is over of equals percent over 100. And we might ask ourselves, what 460 is what percent of 5,000? Okay? And then I could use my trusty calculator here, and I'm going to get 5,000x is equal to 46,000. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 5,000. And I'm going to get that x, which stands for the percent, is, let's say, 46,000 divided by 5,000. And that's going to give me 9.2%. So that means 9.2% of the people watched it. So once I know what that percent is, then I can ask myself the next question and say, well, what is 9.2% of 105 million? Okay? So x stands for millions. So I can cross multiply. I'm going to get 100x is equal to, and I'm going to use my calculator, 105 times 9.2 is equal to 966. Divide by 100, and anytime I divide by 100, remember, I just moved the decimal point 2 places, and I'm going to get 9.66 million. Okay, so about 9.66 million households would watch this TV show. Okay? I can do it that way. Now, someone earlier said, you know what, Mr. C, why don't I just do this? I could say that 460 out of 5,000 watched it. So how many would watch it out of 105 million? And remember, this stands for million. Okay? You could do that. Cross multiply, you're going to get 5,000x is equal to 460 times 105 gives me 48,300. Divide by 5,000 on both sides. And I'm going to get that x is equal to, well, let's see, divided by 5,000. I better get 9.66. And I do. 9.66. That's what x is, and x, remember, would be in millions, just like the denominator was in millions. Okay? All right. Either one of those two ways works. I like the percent proportion, but it is more work. Okay? All right. Good job, guys. Get started on your homework.